And the scares and screams of Halloween are right around the corner, but can you actually be scared to death? Tonight, we're taking action to separate fact from fiction.
Researchers have done numerous studies on stress and the effects on the heart. As this year's scariest holiday fast approaches, we asked a medical professional about fear and heart attacks. Can you be scared to death?
The answer is yes, you can be scared to death.
Dr. Charles Lambert is the medical director of Florida Hospital Pep and Heart Institute, and he's seen a lot of stressed hearts. He says a shock to the system that is intense enough could trigger a surge of adrenaline and a reaction that could damage or even stop your heart. Your body has a natural mechanism called the fight or flight response. So when something scares you, your nervous system responds by increasing your heart rate and the blood flow to your muscles. Now, some people actually like that feeling and come seeking out thrills by going to places like this, haunted houses. But when does that become dangerous?
So there are arrhythmias, there can be angina or chest pain, there can be heart attacks, there can be a Takotsubo's type of thing with chronic emotional stress. There are a whole spectrum of stress-related cardiomyopathies. There was a case back in 2009 that I'm sure you read about where a guy actually got convicted, I think of manslaughter in North Carolina for scaring a little old lady. She had some coronary disease. He scared the heck out of her, and she died.
And Dr. Lambert points to a study at the University of Florida that showed an increase in cardiac deaths during an unusual busy hurricane season here in Florida.
The UF study was related to defibrillators. It records what your heart is doing. So what those investigators documented during one of our bad hurricane seasons, that the defibrillators went off more frequently and they recorded arrhythmias more frequently.
He says the same kind of thing was shown around 9/11. It's been shown around earthquakes, but what about after a trip through a regular old haunted house?
If you're bottom line healthy, you're not going to be scared in a haunted house and drop dead. But stress, is a real phenomenon, and it definitely affects your heart.
Dr. Lambert says being scared to death is rare, but does happen, so know the signs of a distressed heart: chest pain, of course, sweating, difficulty breathing, and shortness of breath.